Little Red Riding Hood. Once upon a time, there was a sweet little girl who lived in a village near the forest. She was so loved by everyone, especially her grandmother. One day, her grandmother gave her a special gift, a red velvet hooded cloak. From then on, she was called Little Red Riding Hood. One morning, her mother said, "Your grandmother is ill. Please take this basket of cake and wine to her. Stay on the path and don't talk to strangers." Red Riding Hood set off happily through the forest. Along the way, she met a big bad wolf. "Where are you going, little girl?" asked the wolf. "To my grandmother's house," she said. The wolf smiled slyly and asked where her grandmother lived. "In the little cottage under the 3 big oak trees," she answered. The wolf had a wicked plan. He said goodbye and ran off to Grandma's house, taking a shortcut. The wolf arrived at the cottage. He knocked on the door. "Who is it?" called Grandma. "It's me, Red Riding Hood," said the wolf. "Come in, dear," said Grandma. The wolf rushed in and swallowed Grandma whole. Then he put on her clothes, got into her bed, and waited for the girl. Soon, Red Riding Hood arrived. She noticed something strange. "Grandmother, what big ears you have! All the better to hear you with. My dear grandmother, what big eyes you have! All the better to see you with. My dear grandmother, what big hands you have! All the better to hug you with. My dear grandmother, what big teeth you have! All the better to eat you with." And with that, the wolf leaped out of bed and swallowed her whole too. The wolf lay down and fell asleep, snoring loudly. A passing hunter heard the loud snoring and peeked inside the cottage. He saw the wolf sleeping in Grandma's bed. The hunter raised his axe, but then thought, maybe the old woman is still inside. So he carefully cut open the wolf's belly. Out popped Grandma. Then out popped Red Riding Hood alive and safe. They filled the wolf's belly with heavy stones. When he woke up and tried to run, he fell over and never got up again. Red Riding Hood, her grandmother, and the hunter were happy and safe. From that day on, Red Riding Hood never strayed from the path and never talked to strangers again. The end.